Okay, here's a quick video on how to place the deck boards on your deck. Now, first of all, I would suggest making the deck boards off to the side, what I like to call the lumber pile. Actual size is going to be 3/4 by 5.5, and the spacing is going to be 1/16. These are going to be components. For this demonstration, my deck is 16 feet long, and so is that deck board right there. So I'm going to grab the deck board, I'm going to grab it by the bottom corner, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to place it right on the corner. Now to space it 1/16, what I would suggest you do is grab this corner here, and what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to move it over 5.5 plus 1/16. Now, depending on what kind of mathematics you're comfortable with, 1/16 in decimal form equals 0.0625, and 5.5 is 5.5. So if you're going to use decimal, it'd be 5.565. So I'm going to move it from here and drag it along there and type in 5.5625 inches. Now if we check with our measuring tape, we're going to see a space of 1/16. Now if you want to use that number that I typed in, and you want to type it in a fractional form, if you're comfortable adding 1/16 to 5.5, you can type that in as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to repeat that process all the way along the top of your deck. Please keep in mind that deck boards are going to go perpendicular or the opposite way of the frame. Okay, so they're going to support your deck boards. Now some of you might ask, can I array? You can array, but the onus is going to be on you to come up with that number that's going to create a spacing, an even spacing, probably with the exception of the last board, of 1/16. So for this particular assignment, what I'm looking for in terms of marks is this board is 3/4 by 5.5, and that spacing is 1/16, and the entire deck is covered. Okay, that's it for this demonstration video.